What I have here is a large dowel, and I made this on the bandsaw and drill press and my belt sander. So what it is 2 2x4s that I glued together. I trimmed them on the bandsaw. And now I'm just going to drill a hole in the center. And then I'll take it over to my little jig that I built for the belt sander. So it works like so. I have must be a 2x8. I just notched out and I just hammered it on to my belt sander. I made a little cam and this lever. Now I'll just place the dowel on the pin, tighten it with a wing nut, It's pretty round, it's nice and clean. That's what I was after. So there's a pretty clean looking dowel.